Hello everyone. So in today's video, I have another interesting fresh update for you guys. And this update does not require your money. It only required your insight and your exposure to Twitter. So this particular update is called adplus.org. Now, in case you do not know what this particular project is all about, I'm going to give you guys a brief update about it. Just going to go straight to the point. All right. So this is a data monetization platform that allows users to earn rewards. When I say monetization, that means it is monetized. All right. So it's a monetization platform that allows users to earn reward via their insights and also their own research using primarily Twitter account. So that means any information you're basically going to be using this particular ad plus for is going to be connected to your Twitter account. If you check right here, I have options to like claim. So if I click on claim right now, automatically this is going to like claim my point for me. All right, so it claims my point and then it gets added up. And if you check very well, the amount of points you are claiming from here is called USDA. All right, so one USDA is equivalent to $1. For claiming this point, I only have $0.375 right now for just this point, and these are about 150 points. So for you to claim this, you have to link up your account. Now once you link up your account, these are some simple tasks you can follow up by following them on Twitter, by liking and reacting to their posts, by sharing your invite link, and also by adding ad plus to your name or tag or referral link and order. You aim 100, 150, and also 100 points. And once you're able to complete all these tasks, it is very simple. All right, all these things are 100% very simple. Now if you scroll up a little bit, you're going to see right here that they have a milestone which is being shown right here. Now total amount right here so far is about 1,275 worth of USDA. All right, so far. And amount of users right here is about 407,339. So you can see how great this particular project is running right now. You can also participate on this right now. I'll leave the link for you guys right here in this video description. You click on it, you just go over and link your Twitter account. Now you can see that my Twitter account is linked right over here. And by the way, if you're not actually following me on Twitter, why are you not following me? So just go over and give my Twitter account a follow. All right, I'll leave the link for you guys in the description. We can interact there. If you have any question, you can ask me straight from my Twitter account. All right, now the next thing I want to share with you guys is basically how to make some earnings from here. So you have the earnings section, have the revenue, have other information right here. So this is the mind share option. If you come to the earning section, these are some points. These are where you earn from. And mind you, these are the amount you're actually earning. All right, so these amounts are calculated in USDA, like I told you guys, and one USDA is equivalent to $1. So what you basically need to do is to complete these tasks and you earn points. All right, so once you're able to complete this particular task, you earn points. And then the next task for you to basically complete is for you to share your invite link. So you can basically like share your invite link, create a post on your Twitter, and you can see right now that I just sent a post out on my Twitter account right now. Now if you want to basically follow me, please use the opportunity. My name on Twitter is basically at leodanzi2, or you can just search it right there or Crypto Alpha and you get direct access. So if you just see this logo right over there, you can follow me up immediately. Now what you basically need to do for me is to get every single information that I'm sharing with you guys right now correctly. All right, just make sure to do every single thing that I just shared with you guys now correctly, and you have access to like link up your Twitter account. And also you can see by tapping on your name you can disconnect your account. All right, so you can disconnect your account. So that is something you should basically know. Now the revenue session, that is basically something that you can check out. All right, so these are basically their revenue chart, which you can also basically see right now. So total revenue is about $30.5 million so far, and you can see in 24 hours they have actually been able to make like 77,103 revenue accumulation. So why not give this a try? You are basically not paying any money, you are basically not spending any money, and it is 100% free. All right, and the main reason why I want you all to basically get full knowledge about this is because This right here do not require your time or anything. It just require you sharing your invite link and also basically completing some simple tasks. Any information about this particular update or about the Ad Plus org will basically be shared with you guys as long as you follow them on Twitter. All right. And if you want to like give this a try, all right, it is 100% free. So stick around, guys, and also do not forget this is 100% free. Scroll down right here, just see your invite link right over here and share it out. All right, so you can distribute this to anybody generally and start making profit from it. Stick around, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please make sure to give this Telegram channel a follow. All right, so this is our Telegram channel right over here. I'll leave the link for you guys in the description, and make sure to give us a follow. Our giveaway is almost at the corner, so make sure to give us a follow. Just go over to the description. You're going to see access to all the links right there. Click on those links and have access to every single information I'm basically dropping for you guys right now. Love you guys so much, and I wish you guys all the best.